Hello students, welcome to my channel Basic Mathematics. We are discussing about union of sets and different aspects, different facts or properties of union. ये सब विषय यूनियन विषय में पाठ पढ़ीचे यूनियन ऑफ टू सेट्स रा डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज ऊपर हमें डिस्कशन करिचे तार प्रूफ करिचु हां आज हमें पढ़िबा intersection of two sets, right? Intersection of two sets, intersection of two sets. What is intersection? Intersection means the common elements, common to both. যেমতি কি your straight line, this is a straight line, this is another straight line, they intersecting point of interest, they intersect at a point, they intersect at a point. Similarly, you see these are two circular regions, they intersect at these 2 points, and the circular region, total region, they have a common place. This is intersection region, intersection region, common region, right? Like this, intersection of two sets. Yes. If A and B are any two sets, then the intersection of A and B is the set of elements common to A and B. A एवं B भितर जोड़ा कॉमन थिबो, कॉमन थिबो सेडा होचंदी A intersection B. We represent it as A intersection B. That is, ताले symbol के लिए लिखिवा A intersection B. It is what? X says that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. This is and. X belongs to A and X belongs. तमने A एवं B दीटा जगह जो एलिमेंट अच्छी से A intersection B रे रही. हमें ये जोड़ा एग्जांपल नहीं परिवार. Suppose you see suppose A is equal to A B C D, right? B is equal to B D E F, like this. So here A intersection B, it is, you see A is here but not here. A टा एठी अछि B रे नहीं, B टा A रे अछि B रे अछि, तेनु इंटरसेक्शन रे ये रहिबो. वेरी सिंपल. C A रे अछि B रे नहीं, तेनु C A इंटरसेक्शन B रे रहिबो नहीं. D A रे अछि, yes it is in B, so D भी रहिबो. तापर तुम कोने B D रहले एटा टेस्ट करबा. E एठी नाही, F एठी नाही, तेणु से माने इंटरसेक्शन रहिबे नाही. तो बस द कॉमन एलिमेंट्स टू A and B, the set of common elements to A and B is called A intersection B. A intersection B. In this case it is this. If you take another example, suppose A is equal to A B C, B is equal to A B C D E, right? It is jadi naba. Then here A intersection B will be what? It is, you see, A এটি আছে রইব, B এটি আছে রইব, C এটি भी ଅଛି, C রইব, ଆଉ কে রইবে? তার মানে এটি কেমতিয়া নেইছো আমি? Here A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. কে লেন দিয়া বলতে, right? Subset of B. এটা যেতବେଳେ B ର subset ହେଇଥିବ, A intersection B টা equal to A ଆସିବ, right? Equal to A. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଆମେ ନେଇ ପରିବା ଯୋଉଠି ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଇଣ୍ଟରସେକ୍ସନ ନଥିବ, ମାନେ କର A ନେବା A B C, B ନେବା P Q R S, right? ଏମିତି ନେବେ, ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି here A intersection B will be what? There is no common element. A ଏବଂ B ରେ B ର କିଛି ବି common ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ନାହିଁ, so it is null set. It is null set, right? It is null. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖିବା ଆମେ A ର Venn diagram କଣ କରିପାରିବା? Yes, suppose A is a set, B is a set, this is A, this is B. The region common to both, this represents A intersection B. If in second case like this, if A is a subset of B, A is a subset of B, A is here, suppose it is A, so this is B, so A intersection B will be this, A intersection B, right? Here this is A intersection B, and here A is a subset of B. Here A intersection B is equal to A, right? And like your third case, if they are completely different, means they have no common element, किछि भी common nothing, right? This is A, this is B. Here A intersection B कौन आसिबो? No element. A intersection B is equal to null set. A intersection B is null set. तो एठू हमें ऑब्जेक्ट करे किछ प्रॉब्लम होला ना? देखो, intersection of two sets, very simple. A गोटे set, B गोटे set. A intersection B कहले the set of elements which are common to both A and B, जोटा A रे थिबे एवं B रे थिबो ताकू लिस्ट कर दियो, से हिजबो तमरा A intersection B. अच्छा, ताकू सिंबॉलिकली एम्ति रिप्रेजेंट करा जाए A intersection B, and ताकू शेडबिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखि परिबा x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B, like this. আমি एग्जांपल एठी नेले 3 डिफरेंट केसेस, एठी वेन डायग्राम कले 3टा डिफरेंट केसेस रे ए शेडेड रीजन गुडा का रिप्रेजेंट करूची A intersection B, right? Here A intersection B will be null set, right? Here we may give another concept, disjoint sets. क्या करिया? Disjoint sets. If A intersection B is null set, we say that A and B are two disjoint sets. That means they have no common element. They have no common element, right? Say we go, they are disjoint sets. If A intersection B is null set. Yes. If A intersection B is null set, that is, if A and B have no common element. A एवं B ର କିଛି ବି ଯଦି common element ନଥିବ, then A and B are called two disjoint sets. कौन कहा जाए? दुईटा disjoint sets. They are disjoints. They have no common element, right? This is about your intersection of sets. Let us write some facts, the properties of intersection, right? Some facts on intersection of sets. Yes. कौन सो facts अच्छी? Let us see. Properties of intersection. Properties. Number one, A intersection B is a subset of A and A intersection B is a subset of B. Number two, A intersection B is equal to A if and only if A is a subset of B. Number three, A intersection A is A. Number four, A for all sets A. A intersection null set is equal to null set for all sets A. Number five, A intersection the universal set is equal to A for all sets A. Number six, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. अच्छा, ये पक्ष में आगे number six, B is a subset of C implies A intersection B is also a subset of A intersection C. Number seven, A is a subset of B and A is a subset of C implies A is also a subset of B intersection C. Number 8, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, commutative property, right? And number 9, it is also associative. A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Then associative. Number 10, A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Number 11, A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Right? ये हला कथा. So these are the properties of intersection of sets. Right? तो हमें वे देखिबा गोटे these 11 facts. A intersection B proof. We will do it one by one. A intersection B is a subset of A मु एटा करबी एटा ऑटोमेटिकली एग्जैक्टली से भले तुम सेटा भी करि परिबो प्रूफ यस हम कोन दिया छी A intersection B is a subset of A प्रमाण करियो को A B any set ही परंत तमे कोन नवा एलिमेंट हियर x belongs to this देखबा इट इज इन A let x belongs to A intersection B this implies x belongs to A and x belongs to B एटा की प्रकार स्टेटमेंट कोड कंजक्शन P and Q P this is Q P and Q जेतेबेले true if P and Q are true P and Q is true it is a conjunction that means both these statements are true so I can write this implies x belongs to A हे परिबो नै हे परिबो जेहेतु P and Q implies P P and Q टा जेतेबेले true P टा निश्चित भाबरे true असो सही लॉजिक से मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग if P and Q is true then P must be true कहेंगी ना P and Q होची कंजक्शन एटा ट्रू केते बडा हबो जेतले both P and Q are true so P and Q is true means P is true ताले thus कोन पाइले x belongs to A intersection B implies x belongs to A so A intersection B is a subset of next time देखिबा it is similarly in the similar agreement again x belongs to again x belongs to A intersection B implies x belongs to A and x belongs to B this implies x belongs to B कहीं केला सही सेम रीजन P and Q implies Q right so A intersection B is a subset of B also so A intersection B जेमती यूनियन रे थिला कोन कंपेयर करबो सदाबळे यूनियन रे A is a subset of A union B B is also a subset of A union B एठी सेमती A intersection B is a subset of A intersection B is also a subset of B हमें फिगर डायग्राम रे देखिले भी देखिबा एटा होची A एटा होची B right this is B so this is our A intersection B clearly it is a part of A this is also a part of B that means it is contained in A this is also contained in B so it is a subset of A it is also a subset of B okay then हमें देखिबा another proof yes A intersection B is equal to A if and only if A is a subset of B it has two parts to be proved यार दीटा पार्ट अछि प्रमाण करिया पई प्रथमे हमें अज्यूम करिया सपोज दिस इज ट्रू प्रूव करिया दिस इज ट्रू नेक्स्ट कन्वर्स एटा ट्रू अज्यूम करिया प्रूव करिया दिस इज ट्रू हले लेट अस सी द वेरी सिंपल प्रूफ्स औ एडा होची मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग रा एप्लीकेशन yes proof carrot 2 right kon achi let A intersection B is equal to A हम प्रमाण करिबा A is a subset now x belongs to A implies हमें जीवा B पाखो x belongs to A implies x belongs to B. A प्रमाण करेगा because we shall show that लिख दे we shall show that A is a subset of B. Subset केमती prove करिबा subset केमती प्रमाण करिबा x belongs to this implies x belongs to this. Now x belongs to A implies x belongs to A intersection B. केमती हला by hypothesis हमको दिया है A intersection B is equal to A. एटा दिया है A intersection B is equal to A. So x belongs to A implies right hand side लिख दिया since A is equal to A intersection B and this implies x belongs to A and x belongs to B, right? P and Q implies Q, x belongs to B, right? लिखी पर since P and Q implies Q, right? So thus x belongs to A implies x belongs to B. So A is a subset of B. Thus समीकरण पहले A intersection B is equal to A implies A is a subset of B. Converse proof करिबा converse से कौन अच्छी let A be a subset of B. हमें प्रमाण करिबा we shall show that A intersection B is equal to A. A intersection B is equal to A. We shall show this, right? तो नबा हमें जानी सालुनी clearly A intersection B is a subset of A. Already we have proved it here. A intersection B is a subset of A, right? और ये भलिया नबो x belongs to A intersection B implies x belongs to A. अच्छा. Now again, now x belongs to A. Suppose. Yes, this implies x belongs to A and x belongs to B. कहीं as A is a subset of B. एटा जेहेतु B रा subset तेणु A रे अच्छी बने A रे थिबा सहित B रे भी रहिबो. How this implies x belongs to A intersection B by definition. तले so A is a subset of A intersection B. It is suppose star, this is double star. Then from star and double star, what we got? A intersection B is equal to A. A intersection B is equal to A, right? तेणु हमें पाई गले proof जे A intersection B is equal to A if and only if A is a subset of B. Okay? A intersection B is equal to A if and only if A is a subset of B. Now you see, now A intersection A is equal to A. Why? Because A is a subset of A itself. हम तो subset देखिए. A is a subset of itself. तेणु A नियम A is a subset of A हेले A intersection A कौन हो? A हो. A intersection null set कौन हो? Null set हो. कहीं की null set is the subset of every set. तेणु A intersection A नियम अनुसार it is equal to null set and every set is a subset of the universal set. तेणु A intersection universal set कौन आसो? A आसो. then nothing to be proved. Now हमें देखिबा B is a subset of C implies A intersection B is a subset of A intersection C. Right? Question number 6. Okay. प्रूफ गुड़ाक टिके निजे निजे प्रैक्टिस कर बहुत स्ट्रांग हे परियो तमे यस नंबर 6 what is given B is a subset of C to be proved कौन प्रमाण कराबो A intersection B is a subset of A inter very simple केंद्र बा X belongs to A intersection B implies X belongs to A and X belongs to B. This implies X belongs to A and X belongs to C. कहेंगे हम दिया है आज B is a subset of C. B टा C रो subset बोले प्रमाण करे given it is the hypothesis दिया है हमको ताले this implies X belongs to A intersection C. X belongs to A intersection C. ताले थिलेटी पहुंचलेटी so A intersection B is a subset of A intersection C. Prove होगा. Next, 7th number. A is a subset of B. A is a subset of C. Implies A is a subset of B intersection C. 7th number. कौन दिया है? Given that A is a subset of B and A is also a subset of C. Right? तो हमें देखिए अबे it is 7. एबे देखिए A is a subset of B intersection C. नवा एलिमेंट कोठी X belongs to A. This implies X belongs to B and X belongs to A. This implies X belongs to कौन कोई 7th number. A is a subset of B intersection C, right? X belongs to B and X belongs to C. कहेंगे A टा B रो सबसेट, A टा भी C रो सबसेट. तेणु A रे रहिले B रे रहिया पे बाध्य, A रे रहिले C रे रहिया पे भी बाध्य. ताले कोठ रहला X belongs to B intersection C. Thus A is a subset of B intersection C. Commutative property, associative property तमे प्रूव करिवो. They are very simple. Union रे जेमती इतला it is सेमती हबो. No nothing difference, right? सेठी union जगह रे और लगतला डी आनस. हाउ हमें जानिजु कोटा यूज हबो conjunction is commuted P and Q is same as is equivalent to Q and P, and similarly associative P and Q and R is equivalent to P and Q and R. ସେଥିପାଇଁ commutative associative proof ତମେ କରିବ. Now distribute these two laws, these are called distributive laws, distributive property, right? Let us see. I will prove one of them. You will do the next one. मैं अभी तो गोटे प्रूव करी 10 11 भितरु 10 टा कर दउची 11 टा तमे करिवो. Very simple, exactly same. 10 नंबर आमे जिबा सपोज yes x belongs to a intersection b union c एटी नवा एटा इक्वल टू दिस ए दीटा सेट इक्वल माने गोटिए सेट अन्यटिर सबसेट बोले हम देखिबा ये आर सबसेट एवं एटा आर सबसेट तो नवा x belongs to a intersection b union c this implies and implied by पिला कहंती केते बेले implies लिखुचंदी केते बेले implied by implied and implied by लिखुचंदी हम केन जानि नै इडी इक्वालिटी पाइछि आ किछि दियाइनी तापर प्रथम कथा होछि जोटी p ट्रू हेले q ट्रू होबो एवं q ट्रू हेले p भी ट्रू होबो सेटी implies and implied by हम लिखि परिबा p ट्रू हेले q ट्रू होबो q ट्रू हेले p ट्रू होबो ता माने these are two equivalent statements either both are true or both are false सही केस रे में implies and implied by लिख परिबा जोटी p true हेले q must be true किंतु q true हेले p टा कोन हबो कहि हो नै सेटी implies and implied by हम लिखि परिबा नाही राइट तेनु एठी देखो सपोज इटा ट्रू ताले कोन ट्रू हबो x belongs to a and x belongs to b union c ब्रैकेट भीतर को पसुनी फर्स्ट एटा करछि ताले कोन हलाडी ना if this is true then this must be true एटा ट्रू हेले एटा ट्रू होबो कि नै इंटरसेक्शन डेफिनेशन अनुसार राइट and this implies and implied by x belongs to a and x belongs to b or x belongs to c b union c x belongs to b or x belongs to c डेफिनेशन खाली यूज कले वर्तमान हमें कंप्लीटली जो स्टेटमेंट पळे असले कोठी असले स्टेटमेंट मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग एटा हला p and q or r is equivalent to कहिछि मु जेतिक इक्विवेलेंट स्टेटमेंट हमको मन रखबा को पड़िबो p and q or r p and काहे की से टेबल करके हमें इक्विवेलेंसी टेस्ट करिछु एठी बसी की टेस्ट कर परिबा ना एठी ताको अप्लाई कर परिबा p and q or r कोन हबो p and q or p and r right p and q or p and r this implies and implied by x belongs to a intersection b or x belongs to a intersection c हैला a intersection b x belongs to a intersection c फिर उचे में कोठी की सेट एठी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देले इक्विवेलेंसी ऑफ टू स्टेटमेंट्स सेही नियम अनुसार हमें डे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देले डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कला परे एठी आसला दिस इज और अछि तले कोन आसबाडे यूनियन x belongs to a intersection b union a intersection c है अच्छा तले 10 कौन पहले में x belongs to a intersection b union c implies and implied by x belongs to a intersection b union a intersection c p if and only if q p implies and implied by q then this is equal means these two sets are equal this is a subset of this and this set is a subset of this so is equal to a intersection b union a intersection c right आज गोटे छोटिया कथा कहबी अच्छा क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 एठी तमे एक्जेक्टली सेम लॉजिक यूज करिकी तमे एटा प्रूव करी पारिबो यू डू इट योरसेल्फ एबे हमें कहितली सब बेले पॉजिटिव सेंस ता जेति की इंपोर्टेंट नेगेटिव सेंस ता ताठो आहुरी इंपोर्टेंट अच्छा हमें सही कथा बुझीबा regarding union and intersection. Here you see this is intersection is distributive over union. In 11 union is distributive over intersection. Right? अच्छा एबे हमें देखिबा जे when x does not belong to A union B and when x does not belong to A intersection B. Suppose हमें कहबा x does not belong to A intersection B नहीं ता माने कौन एटा ए एटा बी एठी ता माने नहीं एठी नहीं इंटरसेक्शन रे नहीं इंटरसेक्शन रहइबो केते बेले दुइटा जगह सेट रहले इंटरसेक्शन रे ताले नहीं काहे की नहीं नाही माने या भीतर नहीं ता माने एठी अछि एठी नहीं और एठी अछि एठी नहीं और बाहर कोठी गुडा अछि लाइक दिस किंबा जदी एठी थिबो किंतु एठी नथि ता माने एठी हम लिखि परिबा x does not belong to A intersection B is equivalent to x does not belong to A or x does not belong to B or P or Q why G it is in inclusive sense inclusive sense रे हमें यूज करिबा ता माने एटा सत्य हे कि एटा मिछ हे पारे ता माने ए नाही किंतु बी रे थाई पारे बा एटा मिछ हे कि एटा सत्य हे पारे माने ए रे अछि किंतु बी रे नाही किंबा दीटा जगह सत्य हे पारे माने एठी नाही एवं एठी लाइक दिस जेड राइट एठी रहले हबो नाही इंटरसेक्शन रहबनी एठी रहले इंटरसेक्शन रहबनी एठी रहले भी इंटरसेक्शन हबो तेनु एठी और ई तीनटा ए कंडीशन सैटिस्फाई करू किंबा ए कंडीशन सैटिस्फाई करू किंबा ए कंडीशन सैटिस्फाई करू ई तीनटा केस वितर जे कोनसी गोटे हबा हमें कहबा x डज नॉट बिलोंग टू ए इंटरसेक्शन b तेनु हमें जेतले कहउतले x बिलोंग्स टू ए इंटरसेक्शन b टिके भले मार्क करो x belongs to A intersection B is same as x belongs to A and x belongs to B. किंतु does not belong to लगला को does not belong to A or right. Similarly for union, x belongs to A union B हम कहूछु कौन हबो this is equivalent to x belongs to A or x belongs to B. किन जितने लगे x does not belong to A union B कौन आसीबटे x does not belong to A and x does not belong to B केमते आइथिबाटी एठी चित्रटा जदी हम करिबा डायग्राम this is A this is B A union B होची कोडा ए टोटल रा एटा होची ए यूनियन बी एटा हो थिला हमरो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी ए यूनियन बी एटा ताले x ए यूनियन बी रे नाही नाही माने ये एठी नाही एवं एठी भी नाही ए रे नाही ए रे नथिबाटा सत्य एवं एंड और हबनी एंड बी रे न रहिबाटा भी सत्य तेणु एठी कोन कहै जिवो x does not belong to a and x does not belong to b ए दुई जिंस हमकु मन रखिबा को पड़िबो मन के आवश्यक नै जदी बुझी गलो ठीक अछि कोन इंटरसेक्शन होची एंड रेशियो does not belong to जतले इंटरसेक्शन होची सेठी और लगाउछु हमें एठी यूनियन रे और होची does not belong to लागले एंड होची तेणु सब्सिक्वेंटली हमें जतले आगु को जीवा प्रूव करिबा सेतेबेले हमें ए गुडा को ध्यान देबा belongs to पई कोन does not belong to पई कोन okay thank you next time this is all about your intersection of sets next time हमें discussion करिबा about other operations like difference of sets and symmetric difference of sets right difference of sets and symmetric difference of two sets okay again I request you to subscribe my channel and you read you see all the videos in a order particular order in which I am uploading so that you will be thorough about your course. Thank you all.